everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. You're watching Growing on Vancouver Island. Today we are going to do a little potato harvesting, and the little man has decided to join us. Got a funny expression on his face. I wonder what he's thinking. Here is my little potato patch. It is July 23rd and these guys have still not flowered. They're all flopped over. And I have harvested one plant already, and the potatoes were pretty small, but delicious and absolutely gorgeous. So I'm hoping for some more good results. I'm not sure if we'll pull them all or one. We'll see what comes out of the ground, and I'll take you along for that. So let's start harvesting. Oh no, trouble is here and he is eating my squash plant already. It's too early for this, Zipper. Stop. Zipper, man, we can't be doing this, love. This is not what we do. You're in trouble, sir. This is not how we appreciate the garden, lovey. Zipper, you need to stop. Come here. No, 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 no. You've had enough. We're gonna pull potato plants now. So let's pull our first potato plant. You probably are gonna have a hard time seeing through all my chives. My garden is a hot mess and we're just gonna ignore that for now. And look who joined us. This little guy decided to eat some raspberries beside my potato patch. I guess he must be a little bit hungry. Let's pull out our potatoes. We've got quite a few plants in here. There's one potato plant, two came out, three actually. Well, the potatoes are definitely small, but we're gonna keep on digging and see what we get. There's a little bit of a bigger one. So far, it's not looking so good. 3 plants has given me this many potatoes. Let's keep on digging and see if we can come up with a few more. There's 4 more plants. Let's see if there's any potatoes in this area. They're not looking so good. I may have learned a lesson here. And a few little potatoes. They are pretty small. Let's take out the big guns and use a shovel. See if we can get a few more. There's one. And 2. And 3. So here is my final potato harvest. It's a little sad. This is about 10 potato plants worth of potatoes. Definitely didn't go very well. This will be enough for tonight's dinner and probably one more dinner. There's only 2 of us and the little hairy man in our household, so I think this will be enough for 2 dinners, but quite disappointing. I think my lesson learned is don't plant potatoes close together. Don't do square foot gardening with potatoes. It's not worth it. Also, the growing conditions were not ideal this year. I mean, typically we should have harvested potatoes a long time ago. It is the end of July and they haven't even flowered or browned. So it's just not a good growing year for potatoes or most other crops in general here. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go and cook these up. If you enjoy gardening content, fairy gardens, seeing cute little golden retrievers, you may want to subscribe to this channel for more garden fun. We will see you in the next video. I hope you have a lovely day.